what we start with is a beautiful buttermilk and hot sauce base. Then I've got my breading that also has some Cajun seasoning. This is all in boneless chicken. And what I'm going to do is I got this at 375 degrees. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a few pieces of chicken to this. We want them all around the same size, and you don't want to do some overcrowding. You want to keep them pretty much maybe 4 pieces at a time. Hold that up, and then we'll roll that. Oh, there you go, and you get the smell. You really get the smell coming off of that. It's really beautiful. Here, folks, look at that. It's not hot at all. Wow.